am the cheese. I am the best character on the show. I am better than both the salami and the bologna combined.
It's completely idiotic.
Hey guys, welcome to the Awkward Unicorn. Today is summer makeup. So today, I've got all these ideas in my stomach and I just don't know what to use. Today I was thinking about, it is summer, it's holiday, everybody's going to the beach. Usually we don't know what to do with our faces because the foundation is sticky, then all the sand stick to it. So today I'm going to give a little bit of hacks with natural makeup and how to enjoy it. Hope you like it. I always use a moisture. This is a Derma Pure South Africa product. I love it. I always use SPF. If you go outside for the sun, is a little bit. So usually everybody tells you to start with the foundation, contouring, whatever. Today I'm going to start with the eyes because if it's smudge or something, you can always do. Okay, so I'm going to use today a nice palette. It has a little bit of glitter, so when you're outside you look like a mermaid because you're going to the beach. You should look like a mermaid. I'm using a flat angle brush just to put the color on. You always start with a lighter color. Do something underneath. Using a nice soft pink color. It's your reflection looking back. Color on. So are you gonna die today? To blend it nice in so you can see it's a nice pinkish shiny color. Always in the crease of the eye I always use a darker color for a smoky effect, so I'm going to do a smoky effect today. Just to tell you, you can do a smoky effect, it won't be as dark as the night smoky effect. There is a difference between the two and you can look beautiful because you're going to the beach and it look just natural. So what I'm using, the rose gold. Okay, so I think this is light enough just to give a little bit of shine so that everybody can see. Oh, she looks amazing and it doesn't look that you have a bunch of makeup on. Okay, so then I'm going to the foundation. I usually use Carolyn. It makes all the spots disappear. It's very nice. It goes equally to my skin just to be safe. Usually use a nice clean brush. Always clean your brushes once a week. Okay, so I'm patting. Nice and equal, putting everywhere. I like to mix the bases because, in my opinion, not everybody can use contouring. So it is usually better to mix and match. Go outside, have a look how your foundation looks. If it's too orange, just touch it a little bit up. So always have all kinds of different colors of foundation just to keep it nice and sleek. In the hairline, underneath the eyes, just to get that full coverage. Okay, so now I'm going with a lighter color of foundation just to put underneath the eyes. If you put the lighter foundation underneath your eyes, it's always nice because it gives your eyes a little bit of a fresh look. Brows a little bit just to give it a nice final touch. And you can use the back side. I've got a nice dark color starting there. Sponge it. Got a double chin, so I usually put a lighter color just underneath. When it starts to blend, it blends in nice. Usually when it's very hot, powder just to get that sticky away. If you don't have nice contour powder, normal baby powder, it will seal the foundation. The sand is not going to stick. Blending, blending, blending. Okay, so I'm using a powder now just to seal it a little bit. Lighter color first. And you have a drop where you put all the light colors. Then you put darker color. If you've got a double chin, always put a little bit dark underneath and then you will see it doesn't look like you've got a double chin. Okay, so now we must just blend. Okay, just to smoke that eyes a little bit up, make it a little bit darker underneath, like a fine brush. And the same dark rose color I'm going to put underneath. A lighter color inside is always good. Your eyes will look a little bit younger. Then I'm using a nice fine brush for the black. Other side. Underneath your eyes, it makes a big difference. We're doing the brows. I always use the darker color, shaping it with a powder. So we all got that issue, we don't have that big brows. I've got that one and it's terrifying. What I usually do is I color my brows in a little bit darker shapes how my brows look and my eyes. So the next step is just to neaten up your lashes, so put a little bit of mascara in. I've got a nice pair of lashes on, so that's always easier. So the last thing is the lips. Okay, there's a lot of hacks and stuff for lips, but my usually is if you just use a pencil and you look very, very closely to the mirror, you're gonna have to see the line. For a summery day, I usually would choose one of these, and it's got a little bit of brown color in, and this one has got a little bit of pink color in, and this is just the natural lip that you can use. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the pink because I'm in the mood for pink. Always do your crease of the lips. It will help shape your lips more. If you want your lips to look a little bit bigger, you can go a little bit darker with the color and the outlining a little bit bigger. That's my lip liner. Okay, so I made my lips a little bit thicker with the lip liner that you can use. Use always a darker color because that's gonna boom the color. Darker inside. Okay, so my lips are done. I'm using just a nice pink gloss on the inside. Okay, so that is my look for today. I hope I helped you guys. Today's tutorial. Give it a like and support my channel.
Okay, this is seriously gotta stop. She doesn't wanna stop talking.
Stop it!
I'm putting you in fast forward. It doesn't help.
From the awkward unicorn. Bye.